it's Julie Pankey again, and I'm so excited to share with you the second video in our Tips from the SpaHive, part of our new SpaHive Connection email and video series. In this second video, we're going to talk a little bit about how we turn our customers into raving fans, brand evangelists. I love this topic because our customers need to become our biggest brand evangelists, which will save us all time and money on marketing efforts. So enjoy our tips and tricks. And again, if you'd like to learn more about the SpaHive, hop on over to www.spahive.com, learn a little bit more, and I hope to see you soon in the Hive. In this video, we will explore how to create loyal clientele who will become brand evangelists and ultimately increase your sales. Step 1. Create loyal clientele.
But Philip, some people still talk about customer satisfaction, but that's got to be really old school now, just not living in the times, right? It's moved on from merely satisfaction.
It's not the gold standard. The gold standard is delighting the customer.
We challenge you to not only satisfy the customer, but delight the customer by discovering your client's needs and truly delivering. By focusing on the customer's needs and delighting them, you will begin the journey of gaining their trust and creating loyal clientele. Marie from Marie TV explains trust perfectly.
There's no formula to follow. There's nothing really strategic we do besides be really honest, be really transparent, and only do and say what we believe in.
Once you have established trust and loyalty with your clientele, let's convert them to brand evangelists. Step 2. Convert to brand evangelists. Think of a brand evangelist as a super client, a person who consistently, frequently, and positively speaks about your brand. Large companies such as Apple and Google rely on brand evangelists for a surprisingly large portion of their marketing. Philip Kotler further explores why brand evangelists are important to these beloved companies.
Common characteristics shared by the most loved companies, including the fact that they have a better set of employees, they are much more open to employee suggestions. You could reach the president with an idea. And by the way, one of the most interesting things is these are companies that spend less on marketing. You might have said, oh, the reason they are called brand is they spend so much on marketing. No. The fact is that it's the customers who do the marketing.
Step 3. Now we will spend some time discussing how to create a brand evangelist environment. Social media is a great way to keep your brand evangelists engaged, but remember, it's important to give them something to become engaged in. Shareable posts, contests, surveys, and shoutouts are just a few ways. While it's important to listen to their feedback, it's more important to do something with their feedback. They will feel appreciated and trusted. Lastly, create programs for your brand evangelists to talk about. Be sure they are user-friendly and easy to understand. Sit back and let your brand evangelist promote your brand for you. Brand evangelists equals more clients, equals more opportunities to increase sales. With all the positive word of mouth, gift cards, retail, service, and gratuity sales will increase in no time. Thank you for joining us in the SpaHive Connection. If you'd like more information, head on over to spahive.com and join our community.